Now let's talk about the list style or the list shorthand. The list style. As with several of the other CSS properties, there is a property that acts as a shorthand for list styles. It is called the list style property, and it allows you to express the marker style, image, and position properties in one straight order, just like we did for background images. So this is the HTML code we are going to work with, and then this is the shorthand we are going to work with. Now with the shorthand, it's going to indicate the style, other things too. So it's going to indicate the width and the height, whether inside. Also it's going to indicate whether you want it inside or you want it outside. It's just going to give you the chance to give margins, okay, in order to what, to put some spaces between your list items. So let's check out how this one is going to work. So unlike the previous specification we were doing for list style type, list style image, and list style position, the shorthand allows us to actually write a one-off code but include all these other properties. So I've typed in the HTML code here. Let me save it, go to my CSS, and then paste the code we are going to use to explain the list style, which include all of the examples we've already stated. Let me try and comment this. Let me comment this out. Let me comment this one out and leave this. Now I'm saving. Let me refresh the browser. The styling we want inside, so you can see that now the one we're using for outside now is all inside. It's all inside the box, and then we use only the shorthand. Okay, with the shorthand in doing that example. So let me just do a brief editing. Okay, let me just use square. Let me just use a square instead of, and then let me use outside. Let me use outside and let me use a square. Let me save it. Now refresh my browser to see the effect now. So you can see now it is outside and it is square. You can also use a disk like we explained earlier. Okay, so you can use a shorthand, and a shorthand helps you to do all these styles. It makes your code neater, it makes it shorter, but still achieve the same purpose. The next thing we're going to look at is table properties. And we are done with the list properties. Let's look at the table properties in CSS.